Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off location on Snapchat, privacy setup step by step clearly. Open Snapchat on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. From the camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. On the profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. In settings, scroll down until you find the section called Who Can. Tap See My Location to open the Snap Map location settings. If Snapchat asks for permission guidance, continue to the location settings screen. Look for Ghost Mode at the top of the See My Location page. Turn on Ghost Mode to hide your live location from everyone. When the time options appear, select Until Turned Off for the strongest privacy. Confirm your choice if Snapchat shows a confirmation message. Go back one screen and check that Ghost Mode is still enabled. Now review the map sharing options under Ghost Mode. If Ghost Mode is off, set location sharing to only these friends to limit visibility. Tap Only These Friends and choose the specific people you trust. Tap Save to apply the friend list changes. Return to the main settings page in Snapchat. Scroll to Privacy Controls to verify other privacy settings. Tap Contact Me and choose Friends so strangers cannot reach you easily. Tap View My Story and choose Friends or Custom to reduce exposure. Tap See Me in Quick Add and toggle it off if you want fewer discovery suggestions. Now open your phone's System Settings app for full location control. On iPhone, go to Privacy and Security, then Location Services. On Android, go to Location, then App Location Permissions. Find Snapchat in the list of apps and open its permission settings. Set location to never on iPhone or don't allow on Android to fully block access. If you prefer limited access, choose while using the app instead of always. Return to Snapchat and open Snap Map to confirm your location is not updating. Test by asking a trusted friend to check if they can still see your location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.